Hello and welcome to Duchess of the Six. It's Friday, March 17th, 2023. I am your news reporter, Beauty Ashley, with breaking news. More than 200 birds need protection after avian flu was detected. Avian flu or bird flu refers to the disease caused by infection with avian bird influenza flu, type A viruses. These viruses naturally spread among wild birds or worldwide. Bird flu viruses do not normally infect humans. However, human infections with bird flu viruses have occurred, can come in contact with avian flu virus when a person touches a surface with virus on it, then touches their eyes, nose or mouth. The virus can also be inhaled from